Hello everyone, welcome to EduTap. So in today's session, we are going to discuss a very important news article of finance, that is which foreign country is going to be the first one to adopt the UPI system. Okay, and why is it doing it, and which of the organizations are going to help in the conversion or adoption of the UPI system into that foreign country. All of this we are going to discuss in today's news article in the today's session. So now, before starting with the session, please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you are new to the channel, and join our Telegram channel for the PDF of this session, and you can get the link of the Telegram channel in the description box below. So now, starting with the news article, Nepal is the country that is going to be the first foreign country to adopt India's UPI, that is Unified Payment Interface. So Nepal will be the first country to adopt India's UPI system, which is going to play an important part in transforming the economy, the Nepal's economy, into a digital economy. So UPI was introduced into our country in 2016, and it was launched by the NPCI, that is National Payments Corporation of India. It was made by NPCI and it was launched by NPCI. Okay, so it has, in the previous some years, it was launched in 2016 and it has only been 5 to 6 years, and in 5 to 6 years UPI has pushed the economy towards the digital economy, especially after COVID-19. In the COVID situation, we saw that there was a great boom of the digital transactions that was happening into our country. Similarly, seeing that what is happening into India, how fast we are going towards the digital economy, how fast we are doing the financial inclusion into our country, Nepal has also said that it wants to adopt the UPI payment system into its economy for the payment transactions and all. So the NPCI has given this tweet, and it showed that the NPCI's international arm, that is NIPL, is joining the hands with the gateway, and it is joining the hands with the Manam. Okay, so what is this gateway? What is this Manam? So NIPL, that is the NPCI International Payments Limited, which is the international arm of the NPCI of India, has joined hands with the Gateway Payment Service Private Limited, which is the authorized payment system of the Nepal operator in Nepal, the Manam Infotech Private Limited. So these three organizations are joining hands, are coming together, and Manam Infotech Private Limited will deploy the UPI in Nepal for the larger digital public good. Okay, so now I hope you have understood the basic idea that Nepal is going to adopt the UPI into its country, and NIPL is helping Nepal to do so, and it is joining the hands with the gateway and the Manam. Okay, so now, benefits of UPI to Nepal. So what benefits will it provide to Nepal? We have seen that what benefits UPI has done to our country, so we can correlate Nepal easily. Okay, so the collaboration will serve the larger digital public good in Nepal. So digital public good means it is non-excludable, and it is non-rival. At the same time, millions of people can do the transactions, millions of people can use the UPI system through the apps. Okay, non-excludable means the Nepal or the Indian government wanted all of the people to have it. That's how we can have the financial inclusion. That's how we can have each and every people from every nook and corner of our country to have the UPI, to have the digital transactions. Okay, to do the digital transactions. So it is non-excludable because the government is the one that is promoting it. So in Nepal, and bolster interoperable real-time person-to-person and person-to-merchant transactions. So this system of UPI will be strengthening the transaction system in the neighboring country. This collaboration will drive the digitalization of cash transactions. In India, we wanted to convert our economy from the cash economy to the digital economy. Similarly, it will help in the Nepal to digitalize the economy, to convert the cash transactions into the digital transactions, and that was the vision of our country, the government of our country, the RBI of our country. Similarly, this is the vision that is forwarded by the Nepal government, and that is forwarded by the Nepal Rashtra Bank, that is the central bank of that country. Enable the last mile consumers in Nepal to reap the benefits of an open interoperable payments system. Okay, so similarly, like India wants, like the government of our country, like the central bank of our country wants each and every person to have the digital transactions, to do the digital transactions, to have to convert into the digital economy. Similarly, in Nepal also they want last mile consumers, that even the farthest of the consumers in Nepal to have the benefits of the interoperable payments system, driving immediate payment transfer between bank account and merchant payments in real time, so that they can do the real time payments at the same moment. At 1 second, 2 seconds, the payment can get transferred from the farthest of the corners to any other corner. Okay, so to make that system easy, this UPI the Nepal wants to adopt. Okay, next is benefits of UPI to Nepal. There are more benefits. It will also enable the way forward for real-time cross-border person-to-person remittances. Like there are many people that are working in India that are from Nepal. They can easily transfer their money back to their country, as well as there are many people that are going to India. They can have or give the money or back to India or something. So person-to-person remittances will become very easy. Cross-border transactions will become very easy, and they will be checkable. Okay, you can have the governments will have the amount also, that how much money is going here and there. Okay, that will be white money. So next is UPI's real-time payment infrastructure will help catalyze the process of financial inclusion. So UPI's system will help the financial inclusion of all the people. Even if you are the person from the farthest corner of the country, still you will be included in the financial system if you have that UPI, which is very easy to use, which is very convenient to use, because you can transfer the payments and you can do all sorts of things in that. Create more opportunities for business. Okay, businesses, because easy transfer for money will be available. It will help modernize Nepal's digital payment infrastructure and bring the convenience of digital payments to the citizens of Nepal. To the people of Nepal, they will have the convenience of the digital payments. Okay, so they are going to use the UPI in their country. So UPI in 2021, UPI enabled 3,900 crore financial transactions that valued USD 940 billion. So you can see that how fast we have adopted to it and how fast we are using it, which is equivalent to approximately 31% of India's GDP. That much we are transacting with UPI. UPI is amongst the most successful real-time payment system, and do not forget that we have created it. India has created it itself. Okay, providing simplicity, safety and security in P2P and P2M, person to person, person to merchant transactions in India. It is very simple, it is safe, it has like OTP, it has the PIN system, it has, or it is very secure also. This initiative of collaboration will stand as a testimony. It will give the testimony to the whole world that how good India is doing in the UPI, as well as that the other countries are also coming forward, that now Nepal also wants to adopt the UPI. That means how much better it is doing. Okay, testimony to NIPL's technological capabilities, of the NPCI's technological capabilities and vision of scaling unique offerings globally. We want to scale it globally. We want to provide our technology globally. Okay, so UPI is providing so much services. It can do the insurance premium, school fees. You can pay the bills through it. You can transfer the money easily. You can recharge your mobiles and all. So it is providing so much services, and that also in one click and very easily, very secure, very easy. So now this is the question that recently, February 2022, Dash has joined hands with the Nepal's Gateway Payment Service Authority, authorized payment system operator in Nepal, and Manam Infotech will deploy unified payments interface in that country. So which is the organization that has joined the hands with the Manam and Gateway? You can easily answer. Okay, do not get confused. Try to answer this one. So thank you very much. If you have any query, you can mail us here or you can contact us through this number. Thank you.